First start by removing the front trim piece by backing out the 3 screws on the back side of the steering wheel. Now remove the main nut from the steering wheel. Now install the puller. Be careful not to cross thread the threads in the steering wheel, and make sure you've screwed them in far enough that the puller can actually work and not pull out the threads. Once you've got the puller installed, you can start cranking on that center shaft and it should pop the steering wheel loose. Now back everything out and remove your puller. Here's a tech tip. I had to elongate these slots so that I could get the bolts properly aligned along those threads of the steering wheel. I didn't want to strip them. So I used a rotary rasp to elongate those. I had to be careful because I started biting into the wall of that center threaded section. So I had to leave it where it was at, and they still threaded in a little bit cockeyed, but it was straight enough that I was able to get it to bite in real good and secure enough to let the puller do its work.